Guys, this is Jamie Lola Tallulah, Poet Spice, and hopefully you can't hear what's going on outside. They're mowing, of course, when I'm trying to do my video. But I'm here to do the Oh So Inspired collab with Crafty out. Every month on the 15th, we have a piece that we're supposed to use for inspiration and create something with, or from, or off of, based on. And as you know, I rarely do anything that's like straight for straight copy of what's going on. So I didn't do that. This month it was like a flip fold card with flowers, and so in the description box below you will see everybody's links, and you will also see that inspiration piece. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I did. I used Crafter's Companion paper. It was a Parisian paper. I used some Anna Griffin dyes. I used a dye from AliExpress. I used a Crafter's Companion base dye, as well as some tattered lace base dyes, and so forth. Now I put all my stuff away because you know I usually work like months in advance. So here's my card, and I did not do a flip fold, but I did do an interactive card. So here's my card. This is the paper in the background from the Crafter's Companion Parisian. These are the Anna Griffin flowers, and they come from her jacket dye. And so they had the extra flowers, so I just cut those out. And then some leaves that were Anna Griffin as well. There's a strip on here, and I want to say that that's a Crafter's Companion strip from the Peony set. You can see where it said I took that and doubled up the With Love, which I got this from AliExpress. And then when you open it, it's a pop-up. So I did not do a flip fold, but I did a pop-up. And so this is the Crafter's Companion card base. This piece here with the pop-up elements and the decorations on that. This is a tattered lace, sentiment, and so forth. You can see another one of those. Actually, there's two. Anna Griffin flowers layered up. The strips again. Here's a little place for writing. That's the only part with these cards that are interactive and so forth. You have to remember to put something for writing. So I doubled up this layer and stuck that here so you could write a message and so forth. And then on the back, it's just plain. So that is my card for this month based on the inspiration. Go check out the other ladies, and I shall see you again. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.